Yo, hey guys, Ingas here back on another YouTube video. Today I will be showcasing off my survival games core. This was heavily influenced by minemen's survival core. Most of the features are the same except for the map voting system. For minemen they use hotbar, and to vote for a map you have to click on the items in your hotbar. For my one, we use a GUI, a menu instead. I feel like it just looks better and feels better. So right now, since we don't have the requirement amount of players to start a vote, and the vote will be selected. And first, we will go through how to make maps. So so to create a map, you can do map create map name. So I have some maps ready, like Valley Side University. You're gonna TP to it, map TP Valley Side University. And so here first thing you're gonna do is find the spectator spawn, and you do slash map set spawn. Then you do the map name, and then you're gonna set the center for the map. The center, like legit the center. So the center for this map would be somewhere around like here. And then you're gonna set the radius. The radius should be a few more blocks bigger than like the point of spawning. You might ask, so
Obviously,
radius of 30. Okay, so you might ask why you need a center and a radius distance. This is needed for when the plugin starts a deathmatch. It will create a barrier with the the radius and the center point. So if you don't get those properties correct, then your deathmatch will be kind of fucked up. So just be aware about that. You can also set the icon of the map using. You need to be holding an item, so you do map set material, and then the map name. And if you want a like durability on that, you can do map set durability. But in this case, I don't need it because the map icon is grass, which resembles a great icon for this map, especially because there are grass everywhere. And to set spawn points, what you would do is here you're gonna go to a spawn point and get the exact coordinate. So you TP yourself to the coordinate TP Yinka 4982.5 5000.5. Just make sure there's a 0.5 after the x and z axis. And then after you do that, you're gonna do map at spawn point valley site. Because I already have this, when I enter this is gonna remove the spawn point. So I'm just gonna add it back, and you're gonna do it to all of the other spawn points. TP yourself to the exact position, then add the spawn point, and then you can see all of the spawn points that you do slash manage. Then you can teleport to all of them. And alright, now I'm gonna get my alternative account to join, and then it's gonna start a vote. And if I leave this, my vote will be cancelled because it lacks players. So if I join again, you're gonna wait and vote. I'm gonna vote for Valley side as well. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Valley Side University has been chosen with 2 votes. Now this is the stage where it's gonna generate the world, a copy of this world to our game world. And we're gonna get teleported. Okay, so after the countdown, deathmatch teleportation will start. Because I don't have any other accounts to join with to make the amount of players required for the deathmatch to start. I wanna leave it. Obviously for the chest, there are 2 types of chests. One is the the common, and the other one is uncommon, and you can edit this in game. So you can do slash loot common. There you go. It's worth by probability. The more of something there is, the higher chance that it will show up. And as you can see, the deathmatch creates a barrier. And then if you want to, going back on the topic of loot, yep, and then we can see the uncommon loot. And if you want to see like test runs for the loot, you can do open and you can do common. You can do loot, open, uncommon. Obviously the amount of loot that can appear is configurable in the config, which I will show later. Now if I kill this player, there we go, I'll be the last man standing and I won the game. And this is the spectator POV. And after an interval, the game will shut down and you can have a restart script to restart the server. Now let's take a look at the configuration. So I have database, date format for the scoreboard, spawn, game world. This should not be the same name as your world. Required amount of players, countdown for when it starts, kill lightning, deathmatch, glass dome. Okay, we don't need this. Yeah, we don't need it. I don't know why I have it there. Then the ending for fireworks, if you want them enabled, votes, loot, all that, coins, when you kill, entering deathmatch and winning a game, blocks to break, allow blocks to break and blocks to place. You should just leave these as the default config because they're suitable as hell. Now we have hotbar, items, all configurable. Menus, all that. Messages, shit ton of messages for you to edit. Different types of deaths. Everything is configurable. Statistics. Plugin, alright, you don't need that. Here, you can make your own scoreboard title animation. It's pretty cool. Is the different scoreboard to show for different state of players. To show you that there are no errors, I'm just going to show you the whole console. Except for this. It's because I'm running Java 17. Alright guys, that will be it for today's video. Join my Discord to buy the source access. Will be $30 for access and ownership will be $150. Although I'm not selling it right now, I'm only selling source code access. And also upon purchase, you get access to the pre-made server, the one I've just shown you with the maps. I will include the Mongo database for the map collection, for the maps collection, and yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, it's been your boy Yinka signing off.